Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you good budget how to sync with bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To sync your bank accounts with good budget, you'll need to subscribe to the premium plan which offers the automatic bank sync feature. This allows you to link your real life bank accounts to good budget, enabling automatic transaction imports. In order to do it, simply head over and open up your good budget application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, simply tap upon the accounts icon on the bottom tab, and then once you're inside here, tap on the edit option on the top left corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on link to bank account, or if you already have added a bank connection, select it, otherwise tap add new bank connection. Then authenticate with Palette. You'll be redirected to Palette. Select your bank and enter your banking credentials. Follow any additional authentication steps required by your bank, and next is to link the bank account. After authentication, you'll be redirected back to the good budget, and now all you gotta do here is select the account to link and then tap on save. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.